Hi, my name is Benjamin Stewart and I'm with LPT Realty. And today I'm going to talk to you about how to set up an advanced search function in order for you to find a home that you love. And essentially, we're going to set up an advanced search so you can have email notifications that match your criteria, and that way you're better informed to make a purchasing decision. So, essentially, there's a few different ways to navigate to the search function. One is the main search screen where you can type in what you're looking for. So you can't get into specifics. So I like to use the advanced search function. Starting with the county, you pick your county and then you pick your city. You don't have to. I'm going to pick Lake Mary, and Longwood. And I'm going to do from 3 to 600,000. And I'm going to select pool private and no short sale right now. Garage spacious 2. And we're going to do 3 plus bedrooms. Maybe there's a townhouse. I'm just going to put it just for reference. And I'm going to click search. Okay, so I'm going to do newest, and for the sake of looking at the properties, I'm going to click grid, and I'm going to save the search as Longwood slash Lake Mary 3 300 to 600K with pool. Easy as that. And I go to my profile on the top right. It's also on your phone on the top right, and I click edit profile. And I go to my saved searches, and I have without pool and then with pool. I already had the without pool loaded. So here I could see my email notifications, and my email notifications are daily, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or never. But if it's never, then there's no real point of the search unless you come back to the website often. And so I will receive emails with the newest properties that meet the criteria, or if a status has changed, so pending or sold home. And if you really need to do a specific search, you can contact us and be more than happy to do a super save search. And what this does is it allows for us to create a more specific search for you using variables that are not actually listed on our website. And it's in our back end. We could go into our account and into your account and fix it for you. So what I would do is use the geography description that you would give me. So let's say Seminole County, let's say Longwood and Lake Mary. And let's say we were looking for a 5-bedroom house, but there might not be a 5-bedroom house available in your price range, and maybe you wanted 4 bedrooms with a bonus room. And essentially, with the MLS, the realtor usually puts in a bonus room, and we can find a house that meets your criteria of 5 bedrooms, but it would normally appear as 4 bedrooms. And so, for an example, if I did additional rooms here, and I also wanted a pool, and bedrooms, let's say, was 4, and the pool, yes, bonus room. And before I do the bonus room, I'll show you, let's say, 5 bedrooms, and let's put the price as 700,000. If I create this search, there's 2 results. Okay, so you'll see that there's 2. Now, if I put 4 bedrooms and I put a bonus room, I create search, there's still only 2 results. So that's 2 additional homes. So I'll create this search. Yes, and today is October the 5th, so we have this. And if I were to create another save search with county and the city and the price, and bedrooms 5, and price up to 700,000. Seminole, Lake Mary. And with the pool, right? So we create this search, we get 2 results, and we have this search and that search. And now we could see the 2 different houses that pop up. They're different houses, and we have more of a selection. So this 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home has a bonus room, so it's really sort of maybe 5, if you want to use it for a home office, or just extra playroom or something like that. Thank you for watching today's video. We appreciate your viewership. If you like the video and subscribe, it'd be a great help to our channel. And if you have any questions regarding real estate, we'd be more than happy to help. Our contact information is below and also on our website. We look forward to helping you in your home search, or if you need to sell your home. And we appreciate you, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.